Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about SMB enumeration. Now, what is SMB? SMB stands for Server Message Block Protocol. It is used for sharing access files, printers, serial codes, and other resources on the network. And it is also a method for sharing protocol that allows applications to read and write the files and the request services from server programs. So I'm going to illustrate some commands from the SMB on my lab. So let's go right in. So yeah, I'm going to illustrate on the INE, on my INE lab. So first of all, let me check the ports that are opened. So yeah, the port is available. So firstly, let's ping these ports to count 5 times. So I'm going to use the -c command to do that, and I'm going to assign 5 to it. So yeah, as you can see, it's counting up to 5 times, and it has sent the packet 5 times with the channel and received the packet 5 times. So let's check the ports that are open, the ports that are closed. Let's check for the TCP port. Let's check for the So as you can see, we have the port 445 and the port 139 TCP, which are open. So the port 445 is usually the SMB ports. And I'm going to illustrate some SMB commands as well. So this particular syntax or command is usually used to list the supported protocols and dialects on the SMB server. So the SMB dash protocol will help you to check the protocols and the dialect that are on the server. So once I run this, oh, okay, there was an error. It's from my end, so it's supposed to be SMB, not SMP. Sorry for that. So yeah, these are the protocols and these are the dialects we have. So it's saying the NT and LM dangerous by default. So to check the security mode or check the security level of a particular port on SMB, so we use the SMB security SMB the security dash mode to check that. But so this is showing us that the account is used by a guest. Then the authentication level is the user, the challenge response is supported, and also as you can see, it's showing us all the security level of this particular port.